much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth. Will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with threats. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled. We'll fight till it's past. truth, will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with dread. Voices silence, fear in the air, but we won't be stifled, we'll fight till it's there. It's the sunsets on another day. The world keeps spinning, there's so much to say. Headlines blaring, stories unfold in the face of truth, will we ever be told? Breaking points, we've reached the edge, searching for truth in a world filled with dread.